Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel. The iPad Pro 11-inch, particularly the models with the M4 chip, represents Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what tablet computing can offer. Display: the iPad Pro 11-inch features an Ultra Retina XDR display which offers a significant upgrade in terms of brightness, color accuracy, and contrast, making it ideal for professional work like photo editing, video production, or any task requiring high color fidelity. Performance: powered by the M4 chip, this iPad Pro delivers exceptional performance, suitable for heavy multitasking, advanced applications, and even some professional software that rivals laptop capabilities. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E ensures faster, more reliable connections, which is crucial for environments with many connected devices. Design: Apple continues to refine the design, making the iPad Pro thinner and lighter, which enhances its portability. The design also supports the Apple Pencil Pro and various keyboard options, transforming it into a versatile device for both productivity and creativity. Camera system: equipped with a Pro camera system, including a LiDAR scanner, it's not just for photography but also enhances AR experiences, making it a tool for developers and users interested in augmented reality applications. Battery life: despite the power and the display, the iPad Pro maintains all-day battery life, which is essential for users on the go. Operating system: running on iPadOS, which is optimized for touch inputs, it provides a user-friendly interface with powerful features like split view, slide over, and improved file management, aiming to bridge the gap between mobile and desktop computing environments. Accessories: compatibility with the Apple Pencil Pro enhances its utility for digital artists and note-takers, while the Magic Keyboard with a trackpad brings an almost laptop-like experience to the tablet. Connectivity: the shift to USB-C Thunderbolt support adds versatility, allowing for faster data transfer, external display support, and even charging other devices, making it a hub for connectivity. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.